How to log into MailChimp on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in MailChimp login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one, MailChimp.com, open it. With that, you will land to the official website of MailChimp. MailChimp is an email and marketing automation platform for growing businesses. MailChimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. Now to log into your account, click on these three bars. Click on the option of login. You will be directed to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your username. Type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into MailChimp account on your iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.